Assalamualaikum friends, today we will discuss how to fix WhatsApp online status not working. WhatsApp status updates are ideal for sharing relevant content in the short term. You can also view status update from friends and family to see WhatsApp they are up to. However, it can be a real bummer if WhatsApp refuses to load any status updates and keeps throwing error. Don't worry, this guide sharing all possible solutions to fix WhatsApp status not loading issue on Android and iPhone. Before starting the video, I have a request. If our video is of any benefit to you, please give a like and comment on the video. Your like and comment will encourage us to make next video. If a new member of my channel but have not subscribed to my channel, then definitely subscribe and stay with us. Launch the WhatsApp app on your iPhone, iPad or Android device. Click three dot icon. Click Settings. Click Privacy. Click Last Seen and Online. Then select Everyone. Android user open Google Play Store and iPhone user open App Store. Click Search bar, then type WhatsApp. If you get any update, please update. If a new member of my channel but have not subscribed to my channel, then definitely subscribe and stay with us.